Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have just come back from work and my parcel was delivered, so I thought that I'll do the unboxing with you guys. So recently Nykaa had their pink sale and I've got quite a few items from them. So I thought of unboxing with you guys itself and letting you know what all I got. So चलिए start करते हैं. पैकिंग ऐसी करी है एज इफ इसमें कुछ अलग सा ही आया है. This is the first thing that I've got. This is salicylic acid 2% Seb Stop. This is from the brand called Dermatouch. So I don't know if the camera is actually picking up, but I have a lot of texture and open pores. So मैंने salicylic acid include करा है अपने routine में. So मैं इसे use करके बताऊंगी, but this is the first thing that I've got. So far so good. Let's see. नायका if you're watching this यार इतना बबल रैप मत क्या करो. So मैं मेकअप यूज़ नहीं करती ऑनेस्टली. कोई बेस प्रोडक्ट यूज़ नहीं करती. रीज़न बीइंग मुझे उसकी उतनी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. बट आई लव डूइंग माई आईब्राउज एंड माई आई मेकअप. So I got a eyeshadow palette from Mars. This is the palette. It has all neutral shades with some shimmery shades as well. मैं इसका रिव्यू करके आपको ज़रूर बताऊंगी. I really like this. And Niacinamide that I have got from the brand Ordinary. So I've used niacinamide before as well. I was using from the brand Plum. Again, it fades away any kind of acne scars that you have or any kind of pigmentation that you're going through. It helps to reduce them. I'm this time using from the brand Ordinary और मैं आपको एक महीना यूज़ करके बताऊंगी does it work or not. This is a mascara from the brand Mars. It's their Double Trouble. So इसके काफ़ी रिव्यूज़ है इंटरनेट पे, तभी मैंने इसे मंगवाया है. अगेन मैं ऐसा कोई भी चीज़ यूज़ नहीं करती जिससे ना मुझे आके डबल क्लेंस करके हटाना पड़े. सो मस्कारा इज़ वन ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स जिसे आपको डबल क्लेंस करना पड़ेगा. बट ठीक है, कभी कभार चलता है. सो आई गॉट दिस रेटिनॉल सीरम फ्रॉम द ब्रांड विश केयर. मैंने इनका कोई भी प्रोडक्ट अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किया है. Now, if you are 25 and above, I would highly recommend you to include retinol in your skincare routine. It helps to reduce aging, wrinkles और retinol के any which ways बहुत सारे benefit हैं. Now again, if you do not use actives, then just don't start randomly. Check with your dermatologist. I've been using actives for quite some time now, तो मुझे पता है मेरा skin कितना ले पाएगा. Lipstick from Mars that I got in the pink sale. Is the shade which is not bad, but then again ये matte नहीं है, so something that I might not be using it. I've also got a shampoo, but I use this as a body wash. This is from Head and Shoulder. It's their Cool Menthol. Now hear me out. You can have a different point of view. So I don't have body acne, but in summers I tend to get a little bit of rash here and there because of the heat. So you can obviously invest in body washes which has AHA, BHA और भी तरह तरह के body washes हैं. But इसमें कुछ ingredients है which works for my body, and because इसमें menthol है, so I really feel very nice and refreshing while I take a shower. So I actually use it as a body wash. Works for me. I've been using it for years now. I haven't got any problem. So pink sale pe I was getting this at half the price, so I thought why not, let's get it. So I got this. Got a foundation brush as well. This is also from the brand Mars. So मैं इसे यूज़ करके ही बता पाऊँगी how is it, because it's soft, which I'm not a very big fan of. मुझे फाउंडेशन ब्रश सॉफ्ट नहीं पसंद है, वरना वो ठीक से जाके ब्लेंड नहीं करते, बट अगेन रिव्यू करके आई लेट यू नो. Also is a free gift from the brand Wish Care. It is their Kanoj Rose Water, if I am pronouncing it correctly. This a hair growth serum from Wish Care. Now, people who know me, they know I use soap in my hair. I don't really take much care of my hair because I'm genetically blessed with good hair. I never had to do a lot when it comes to hair. But then suddenly I was like, I need to pay some attention because किसी एक level पे आके it might show on me. Though I'm not really bothered even if I go bald. But ठीक है, it was like in sale and it's a very hyped product. So I'll be using it and letting you guys know ki if it actually works or not. And I think that I was hoping to get more, but इतने पैसे में सिर्फ इतना हिच मिलेगा. So take care guys, bye, love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog.